Okay, team, to be solving these sorts of sums correctly, to be solving number sentences, which is just stuff like this, there's a bit of it's almost like a sentence with a number, isn't it? Here's the first number is sentence, there's the second number, there's the third, there's the fourth, okay? To be solving number sentences, okay, we've got to understand how to read them, and there's a rule when we solve number sentences, okay, when we've got to unwrap them, and here's the rule. If something is in brackets, we do it first. Brackets. Then after that we go to the operations. Now the operations are, I think you know, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, for example, if we were to look at a number sentence like this, wow, look at that number sentence. If we were to look at this number sentence and we had to solve it, so we've got to find out what goes in the square, we've got to go to BODMAS and we've got to follow the rules of BODMAS over here. B-O-D-M-A-S. BODMAS. So, are there brackets in our number sentence? By golly, there is. That means we've got to do those first. So what's in the brackets? Well, it's 6 plus 4. So that equals 10. So that's done. We did that first. Hooray for us. Okay? Now we go up to the operations. Well, here comes the operations. Operations are things like division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, is there a division in there? Is there a division there? No. So, next. Is there a multiplication? There sure is. Right here. So let's do that bit next. What's 2 times 3? Well, that is 6. Right, so now our sum is 6 times 10 minus 12. Alright? Look, there's another multiplication we've got to deal with there because it's the 6, there's the 6, and there's the 10. So what's 6 times 10? Well, that is 60. So we'll get rid of that now. We've done that. Done. Right, is there an addition? No. Is there a subtraction? Yes. By jingos, there is. Here's the subtraction. Right, well, let's do it. 60 take away 12. I bet you can do that in your head. It's a 48, isn't it? Okay, and I hope you saw how we used BODMAS there. Let's do another one just in case you're having heart attacks. Okay, here we go. BODMAS, are there brackets in this sum? There sure is. There they are. Let's work out the brackets first. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Done. Let's go up to the operations now. Is there a division in this sum? Nope. Done. Is there a multiplication in this sum? There sure is. There it is. So we do 6 times 2, which of course equals 12. Any other multiplication? No. Done. Right. Is there an adding in this sum? There sure is. So it's 3 plus 12, which equals 15. And we can tick off the subtraction because there's no subtraction there. Okay? No, it's not. There was a sneaky subtraction in there, but it was really part of the brackets. So the answer is 15. Okay. I hope that has helped us a little. Let's go on a little bit more work. You're going to have a go in a moment, so wake up. Okay, in these ones, and these are probably going to be in your assessment, you can see the boxes moved around a little bit. So I'm just going to show you the first couple, and then we'll have a go together. Alright, so there's no brackets in these ones, so we go straight to, there's no brackets, so we go straight to BODMAS, which is B-O-D-M-A-S. So first of all, we go to division. Is there any division in there? Hang on a moment. Right, there is a division there. You can see in this first one there's a division right there. But something I really should have told you is division and multiplication, they can be done at the same time. It doesn't matter. Either can go before the other. And the same for addition and subtraction. Okay, think of them as brothers and sisters. They can happen at the same time. So division and multiplication always must go before. They go before addition and subtraction. So over here in this sum here, you've got something times 5 divided by 2 equals 15. So, you know that whatever is over this side of the sum has got to equal 15. And that makes me think we better have a look at something else just briefly. Okay, can you see that equal sign there in the middle? I've decided we better look at this before we do the sum. Can you see that equal sign? I bet you can. Guys, for maths to be true, whatever is on either side of that equal sign has got to be the same. So, 6 equals 6. Yeah? I hope you've got that. That's right, isn't it? Tick. Good. But what about if we go 6 equals 7? Uh-oh. Wrong. Okay. What about if we go 6 equals 5 plus 1? Well, yeah, because 5 plus 1 equals 6. So, tick. What about if we go 6 equals 7 take away 2? No, because 7 take away 2 equals 5. So that's wrong. So that's what these sums are, guys. These ones here. These ones. Okay? I wonder if I can get rid of that. No, I can't. Okay. Sorry, just bear with me. Back to here. I'm going to rub out all that, so just bear with me because that looks like a mess. Here you go. You see I've circled the equal sign. Right, whatever is on either side of the equal sign has got to equal the same thing. So look, 15's over here, isn't it? So this whole sum has got to equal 15. The question you are asking yourself is what times 5 divided by 2 equals 15? What times 5 divided by 2 equals 15? What? Oh, can I do that? Oh, I can't. Whoopsie daisy. What times 5 divided by 2 equals 15? I'm just going to tell you because this is the showing bit. Well, I know that this has got to... what's going to be half of... This has got to equal 30 over here, surely. Because if it's going to be divided by 2, it's going to equal 15, isn't it? So 6 times 5 equals 30, doesn't it? And then 30 gets divided by 2 to equal 15. Okay? I hope that made sense. If it didn't, it's alright. I'm going to help you out some more. Let's have a go at the next one. Let's have a look at this one here. Right? There's your equals. Right? Both sides of the sum have got to equal the same amount. Right? So what does this side over here equal? 70 divided by 7. It's already there for you. What's 70 divided by 7? Can you tell me? 70 divided by 7 equals 10. Doesn't it? Okay. So, 26 minus something has got to equal 10. Both sides have got to have an answer of 10 on each side. This side equals 10, great. This side equals 10, great. So this side's got to equal 10. So, what's 26? 26 minus something equals 10. Do you know what that is? It's 16. 26 take away 16 equals 10. Okay? Right, let's have a go at these. Actually, why don't you have a go at these ones here by yourself? Why don't you have a go at those ones there by yourself? And then we'll go through them. Have a go by yourself. I've been talking for too long. Okay, I hope you had a go by yourself. Let's work through it together. Look, over here you've got... I'm going to rub some of this out because I'm sorry, it's annoying me. I'm going to rub all that out. Goodbye. Go away. That's enough. You're done now, so we're going to rub you out. You're gone. Okay. We're looking at this one now. Look. Okay. On both sides of the equal sign, it's got to be the same for it to be mathematically true. Okay. So we've got over here 1 times 2 times 2, which is 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So over here it equals 4. Right? So whatever we've got over here is now got to equal 4. So something divided by 9, whatever's in the box, equals 4. It's 36. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Okay. Let's have a look at the second one. Remember, what is on either side of the equal sign has got to be the same. So, first bit's easy, isn't it? 12 times 2 equals 24. So that means whatever's over here has got to equal 24. So a half times something equals 24. A half times something equals 24. So what's 24 a half of? 24 is a half of 48. I wonder if you got that. Okay. It's time for you to have a go all by yourself on these ones. Ho ho ho! Have a go all by yourself. This will count as a bit of a test. And if you get these right, that's great. And if you don't, and if I'm there to help you, I will help you. So 5 to 8. I want you to pause me, and I want you to have a go at 5 to 8. This isn't a test. It doesn't go on your report card. But it's just showing me how you understand it, if I'm there as your teacher. Okay. Go on, pause me and have a go. Okay, I hope you are back. Let's work through them. All right. Well, there's your equals sign. So good. That equals 14 over here. Hooray. So over here, the whole sum's got to equal 14. And remember, you do divide. Remember BODMAS, guys. Oops, a daisy, I dropped the pen. With BODMAS, you do B-O-D, BODMAS. So always division and multiplication go before addition and subtraction. Okay, and ignore that silly S. Okay. Okay, I'll move a little bit more quickly now because you might all have the right answer and be a bit too bored. Okay, so 20 minus 12 divided by something. Now, because it's division, we do the division first. Remember, BODMAS, division comes before takeaway. So what take from 20 equals 14? Well, I know I've got to take 6 away from 20 to equal the 14. So 12 divided by what equals 6? Is the question. 12 divided by 2. So 20 minus 12 divided by 2 equals 14. Right, next one, number 6. Over here, 6 times 7 is 42. Great. Whatever's over here has got to equal 42. So what divided by 2 equals 42? Well, it's got to be double 42. It's got to be 84. Okay. How about the next one down here? 19 plus 6 equals 25, doesn't it? Okay. So that means everything over here has got to equal 25. So something times 5 has got to equal 25. I hope you got 5. Okay. The last one. Here's the equal sign, of course. Oh, easy. 36 over there. So 3 times something times 6 has got to equal 36. What is it? What's the missing one? Well, I know that 3 times 6 just equals 18, right? So how do I get from 18 to 36 using times? Thank heavens, I know what it is. It's really 18 times 2, isn't it? So you better put the times 2 in there. And that makes that correct. Okay, guys. Thanks for listening. I hope that helped. If you really want to re-watch that, by all means do. Thank you very much.